Hey there, second graders. Way to finish up day 4. You worked again on those short vowels. We also learned that affix ending ing. You worked on that vowel consonant magic E. We introduced all of our amazing words officially, so be prepared for tomorrow, a quick quiz. You worked on some poetry, some handwriting. You practiced your sentences. Today in math, you also worked on those patterns with our addition table. Great job. Tomorrow, expect to see a Read to Me decodable. I want to hear you read, and we'll be practicing and listening for your fluency. We're going to be working more on that ing. You'll have that vowel consonant. And we'll also be watching a video for how to take our weekly tests. We'll have a Kahoot game with those amazing words. A handwriting assessment. I want to see your handwriting, so make sure it's your best work. And in math, we'll be looking at counting on and counting back using our number line. So that should be the end of our week tomorrow. Keep up the great work. Nice job.